The painting I'm working on now has an important element that's the mist. And the mist is used to capture a somber, meditative, quiet mood, which is pivotal and critical for what I'm trying to do in the painting. Developing the mist is going to be many months ongoing iterative process of changing code, running the robot, seeing what Dulcinea does, going back, changing the brush strokes, etc. These are puffs of paint. This is like a round puff, and this is what I call a holding puff, and this is a horizontal puff. So I'd send this over to the Dulcinea's computer now, and then she'll paint these, and then I can pull the canvas down, change the code, change the nature of the brush stroke, and do it again. The magenta line is the middle of the brush stroke. So it's helpful to see this, and then I can go in and change where the actual brush strokes are. This is at the lowest level that I have to work. So after I have the individual puffs working, then I've created what I call a designer mathematically that's going to orchestrate. Well, let's put more puffs together to make the paint thicker, more opacity for particular mist. And so the designer has its own free will, if you will, and its own rules of behavior, and it's going to orchestrate all this mist for me. So this is a kind of early stage pass at the mist, and that's like one layer of mist, and then I can turn on some two and three more layers of mist, and so this is what it would look like. So that mist would be there, then another layer and another layer. And as I get to actually painting the real painting, this is going to change. But right now, I'm, the preliminary stages, and I have the luxury of being able to slap up a canvas on the wall with magnets and have her paint and then iterate. So there's so much artistic opportunity in what I'm doing here. And at the lowest level, the puff, then working all the way up to the designer, and then working all the way up to the pattern of the mist. And the mist has to then engage and enhance the rest of the painting and what I'm trying to do. And it's just tools and process and patience and perseverance. But on the other hand, if you like what you're doing, it's easy, it's exciting, and you love coming into work every day and keep pushing forward. I mean, this is all new ground. There's never been a robot in the world to do something like this.